know what time it is, bruh. It's DD time.
Yeah, why they like me so? You talk too much. I move in the snow. Tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Lars, aka Motor Bro, and we out here bringing y'all another video. Yo, so it just rained in California, which is mind-boggling, bro. Like, I cannot tell you the last time it has rained, but it's raining today, which is freaking dope. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, boy! And we're on the Supermoto, so you already know it's gonna be a good time. Oh, we're spinning wheels like nothing, bro. Woo-hoo! Cock grip. We out here, bro. Still got hella grip. I say that and then I don't catch grip. These pilot tires, they're something else, bro. I'm still very scared on turns, so this is crazy. I'm more comfortable in a wheelie than I am in a turn. Like, I don't know, it's just weird. We can pull some wheelies though. Hopefully we see Nigel Houston, bro. Nigel Houston has a Supermoto and he's been riding around Hollywood, and I haven't caught him on the streets yet, bro. Don't worry, I'm gonna catch him, bro. I'm gonna catch him on the streets, give him some of that sumo work. Skirt! I wonder if my shoes are wet. I can hop on my seat. No, they're not that wet.
I've been chasing Benny Hunters, all I think about is money. I've been chasing Benny Hunters, all I think about is money. I've been chasing Benny Hunters, all I think about is money.
The sun, yes, it needs the sun. Heat, warmth. Come on, I need the warmth. Bro, you guys do not know how cold it is. Bro, it says it's 51 right now, bro. That means it's like 48 on the Sumo. We got that wind chill on the Sumo. Oh, slippery, bro. We got some water. Whee! Right into a stand-up. You dig? Woo! And yeah, we're wheeling in the hills, bro. That's a fact. Oh yeah, just go right in front of me, car, bro. Well, I'm pulling the dopest wheelie. You just gotta pull in front of me like nothing's going on. I'll see how it is. I'm just playing. Bro, but the vibes up here are on another level. Broski, 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 you already know what time it is. You already know what time it is, bruh. It's DD time. Bro, I haven't hit a DD like that in so long, bro. Look at that. That little DD. And we out. Ah! I got sand in my eye. We're back. That was terrible. Literally a big chunk of sand just flew in my eye. Damn, that was a tight Ferrari. An old classic. Bro, if it wasn't like 50 degrees out, it would be a perfect, nice after the rain ride. I mean, it's still like a perfect, nice after the rain type of ride, but like, I'm freezing, bro. Y'all can't feel it through the camera, bro, but woo! Homie was looking at me, I think because I was dragging my rear brake when I went to stop. He was probably like, oh my lord, homie's about to crash. Bro, that's how you know when you're in Beverly Hills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cameras, bro, on one pole. Alright. We about to go down Rodeo. Yo, I haven't been down Rodeo in a hot minute, bro. We got a Lambo right there, bruv. Ooh, a Performante. That's beautiful. Beautiful, bruv. Peek this thing out. It's tight. Damn. Ah, bro. Bro, one day, bro. One day, Performante with the sumo on the back. That shit gonna happen. Shit is crazy, bruv. And we out. Just like that. We're out. So we saw one Performante. Not too bad, not too bad. That car is beautiful, bro. Like, I love. I'm starting to freaking want a Lamborghini now. Ah! Almost had another piece of sand hit me in the eye. What is going on today? Alrighty, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am literally going to be posting a lot more, so hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I hope you guys enjoyed that music video. Rapper Mother Bro is back. I freaking love you. Stay motivated. Peace!